Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with Team William in India. Today, first day of the financial year 24-25. Though it's a second day of the April series, but yeah, I hope the last financial year was a really good one for all of you in the market, in your business, in your jobs, and wish you all a very great upcoming financial year 24-25. And you get the best out of the markets, of the business, of your jobs. So, a lot of wishes to all of you for the new financial year and a clear disclaimer. Please go through it. Okay, so last year was a very good one for the Nifty, around 30% gain right from the April to 31st March. Nifty's up was up around 30%. No breaching of 200 DMA during the year. Couple of times it did breach its 50 DMA over here in August November session, but I think then again it went higher and it continued to move more than 22k 22,500. So yesterday also, like in the last session also on Thursday, um, the Nifty was trending higher. It tried to hit the fresh high, but वो 10 पॉइंट का सिर्फ फासला रह गया 22,526 is the all-time high, but on Thursday Nifty was around 22,516, so very little difference over there. Broadly, it is trading all about its key moving averages, and so 22 to 22,100 200 वाला जो zone है, broadly 21,950 to 22,200. That 200 250 point zone will be very, very good support for the April series. Yeah, because today is the first day of April series as well. So this zone is very important to hold in this series. Below this, if we breach 50 DMA on a higher volume, okay, then we might see some bit of correction, like 3 to 4% here and there on a broader in the broader market as well as on the index front. But if we hold this level, अगर 22,000 के आजू बाजू हम लोगों ने hold किया, then I think we might again try to move above that fresh all-time high. The chances are that we might move it today itself. And if we close above this 22,550, अगर वो बाई 550 के ऊपर हम अगर बंद आ जाता है, then we might see that Nifty might try to climb 23,000. So that's how the positive setup is. Because last two sessions when the Nifty was trying to move higher, there is a decent volume in the markets. Overall, setup of many of the stocks are good. It's not that the technical deterioration is all over the market. Okay, there are some specific names in the cash market, okay, जहाँ पे थोड़ा weakness है, but broadly अगर देखो तो the market looks strong, but you need to respect the levels. अगर 50 DA में breach होता है higher volume, you need to be very careful. And on the flip side, if you see that the markets are making new high, then buy high, sell higher. Do not get afraid of the fresh 52 weeks high. Some news: HAL signed a contract worth more than 1,000 crore with Cochin Shipyard for the supply of 6 sets of LM 2500 gas turbine and other. PN Cinfra received payment of around more than 250 crore in terms of the settlement agreement executed between the company and the National Highway Authority of India. If you look at the global market, the US GDP data was good. तो 3 पॉइंट रिवाइज हुआ था Q4 का 3.2 के बदले 3.4 आया था. US market was also decent one. The closing was almost flattish, 0.1 से minus 0.1 वाली range में, all major indices का. If you look at the Asian market this morning, the Shanghai is up around 0.9% and Kospi is up around 0.3%, while Nikkei is down 1.5%. Gift Nifty indicates a positive opening. So if you see for the April series, the futures closing was around 475, and this is also the future level, which is currently trading around 22,525. So broadly, अगर देखें तो 40-50 point maybe a gap up opening we might see in the today's session. Let's see, because Thursday का अगर देखो तो लास्ट में बहुत सेलिंग आया था. So we might see that some rebound, some opening positivity in the today's session, and then from then we can see that how the market behaves accordingly. But it looks like a positive opening for the day, and we might continue the momentum on the positive side. On the stock front, the chart of the day. So Info Edge looks interesting. So it just broke out on Thursday and closed near the day's high. And the breakout is from the consolidation base, and it's a very positive breakout. Look at the high volumes in the last two sessions. While before it broke out and on the day of the breakout, that is really good. The buyer demand is decent. Fund holding on a higher base has increased. Last 3 quarters result have also been interesting one. The growth on the sales front as well as the EPS front is notable, and the formation is ideal after a good cup with handle formation over here. Okay, वहां से breakout होके थोड़ा ऊपर गया, and then again it moved sideways and formed a consolidation base. It was choppy around 50 DMA over here while it was forming the base, but now it has come out really well. 0 to 5% is the ideal buy zone for this stock, but please do your own research or get the uh, advice from your advisor before executing the trade. This is just for the knowledge purpose, our observation on the info edge. But the chart looks quite interesting and all the other parameters are in good place. So that's it for today's session. Thank you for joining. See you again tomorrow at 8:45 a.m.